Alright, so the entire Pixel lineup just got leaked, well, at least the renders and a couple of specs. While the overall design isn't changing much, there are a few tweaks that might catch your eye. Some are solid upgrades, while others are, let's just say, debatable. Let's break it down. Starting with the Pixel 10. If you were hoping for a major redesign, well, not this time. It looks almost identical to its predecessor. Same 6.3-inch display with a centered punch hole, nearly identical dimensions, and those familiar matte sides. But one change stands out. The cameras. Unlike previous years where the base model was always a step behind the Pro in terms of lenses, the Pixel 10 is now getting the same number of rear cameras as the Pixel 10 Pro. And that extra camera, a telephoto lens, yep, Google finally decided that zoom isn't just for the premium models. Of course, the Pro will still have better camera hardware to justify the extra cost, but it's great to see the standard Pixel getting an upgrade. Oh, and it's powered by the Tensor G5 chip, now made by TSMC. Moving on to the Pixel 10 Pro, this one's more about refinement than reinvention. Visually, it sticks to the same design language, so the real changes are under the hood. We don't have specifics on the cameras yet, but don't expect any drastic shifts from the last generation. The display is still 6.3 inches, and just like the Pixel 10, it's running on the TSMC-made Tensor G5. Early benchmark scores weren't exactly groundbreaking, but software optimizations could change that before launch. And finally, we've got the big one, the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Google brought back the XL branding last year, and they're sticking with it. But if you were expecting major differences between this and the Pro, don't get your hopes up. It's essentially a Pixel 10 Pro with a larger 6.8-inch display. Same design, same cameras, even that little temperature sensor next to the camera module is still there. What we don't know yet are the software features or any hidden surprises Google might have up its sleeve. Some of that might be revealed at Google I/O in May, or we'll just have to wait for the next leak to spill the details. Because let's be honest, these things never stay secret for long. That's it for now. Catch you in the next one.